living it the high life, wishing you could be like them. They got the fast cars, diamonds on the high rise, always looking like a 10. Yeah, the first class always gotten everything they wanted. Turns out they're lonely just the same. So tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights, you wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie, 'cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side. Perfect smile, posing for the camera, checking my body names. They got the cool brands, followers and fans, yeah, it seems that they got it made. But the slaves to the superficial, fake friends in politics, oh, deep down they wish they could escape. So tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights, you wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie, 'cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side, yeah. On the other side. On the other side. Oh. Honey's greener, sugar sweeter, till greed never leaves you satisfied. Tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights, you wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie, 'cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side. Oh, on the other side. Oh, on the other side. It's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side.
It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
There's something I still hold in. I'm too ashamed to show it, but I feel like I'm never enough, and I fear I'll mess everything up. I'm haunted by the notion that all doors are closing. Do you hear it thinking of us? Or were we made just to crumble to dust? My heart beats heavy, but you leave me questioning if falling out on the floor. Whoa, self-doubt's relentless, leaving me defenses on my demons take control. What if I told you all of my flaws that I can't ignore? Would you laugh in my face? Would you slam the door? What if I told you it's not supposed to, but it kills me to think that you call me yours, when I know deep down you deserve much more. Oh, I'm so insecure. Oh, I'm so insecure. I'm holding out but hopeless, a deep sea of emotions. I break down cause I bottle it up, but I'm learning to learn how to trust. My heart beats heaven, but you leave me questioning if I'll be down on the floor. Whoa. My head feels restless from the constant pressure. Check my feelings at the door. What if I told you all of my flaws that I can't ignore? Would you laugh in my face, love like before? What if I told you it's not supposed to, but it kills me to think that you call me yours, when I know deep down you deserve much more. Oh, I'm so insecure.
Times have been
but now I know it's a matter of time before I lose control and we cross the line. It's a matter of time before I show my heart and you find out why. It's a matter of time before I lose control and we cross the line. It's a matter of time before I show my heart and you find out why. Do you know what it feels like to wish you were someone else? Anybody else but yourself? Have you ever felt the gravity of life pulling you down, treading water as you slowly start to drown? Scrolling through my socials and I feel so alone. Friends all at a party while I sit here at home, smiling in a picture but I sink in my soul, cause I feel like someone I don't even know. I've been running from my life, hiding in a 3x5-inch fake plastic screen. I wish I could fight this anxiety in my chest, depression in my mind, so afraid to be seen. Do you know what it feels like to leave a party by yourself and everybody's leaving with somebody else, and they're blowing up their Instagrams with lives all framed in gold? Seeing everyone else happy takes a toll. Scrolling through my socials and I feel so alone. Friends out at a party while I sit here at home, smiling at a picture but I sink in my soul. I think I need to throw away my phone. I've been running from my life, hiding in a 3x5-inch fake plastic screen. I wish I could fight this anxiety in my chest, depression in my mind, so afraid to be seen. Whoa, 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 whoa. I've been running from my life, hiding in a 3x5-inch fake plastic screen. Now you know that I've been running from my life, hiding in a 3x5-inch fake plastic screen. You and me could fight this anxiety inside us, depression in our minds, not afraid to be seen. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not the same since last you saw me. Roommates think I've lost my mind. I kinda freaked out when you called me. And if I sound insane, I'm sorry, but I haven't slept 3 nights, cause kissing you's like sipping coffee. I said I won't ever text you with emojis, I won't be the one to kiss you in the front seat. Back in October, yeah, that's what I told you. Now look at me, doing things I never do, been over like a fool, yeah, yeah. Addicted to the way you move, I'm breaking all my rules. Look at me, saying things I never say, dancing in the pouring rain, yeah, yeah. And I know I sound cliche, but I love the way I'm not the same around you. Showing up late to every party, you got me losing track of time. It's been a month of redefining. Now I swear I hardly recognize me from the day I called you mine. you broke down the walls inside me. Whoa, before you knew me, I was ripped jeans and cold feet, scared to wear my heart on my sleeve, feeling so empty. Yeah, that was the old me. Now look at me, doing things I never do, tripping over like a fool. Yeah, yeah, can't think of anything but you. I'm breaking all my rules. Look at me, saying things I never say, dancing in the pouring rain. Yeah, yeah, different now than yesterday. I love the way I'm not the same around you. I ask for more than I can take, push me down to my back breaks, work myself to the death and still I'm never satisfied. The more I try to keep things straight, the more they blow up in my face. Somehow feels like the faster that I'll run myself, the slower I arrive. So I'm stepping back to a new basket you beg, got some things gonna say said to my face. Cut the cord at the scene, it in my brain, I feel alive again. I'm breaking up with me, I really don't